Project management is a process of planning, organizing, and executing a project with specific goals on time and within the budget. It's the backbone of turning the ideas into a successful outcome.
Why is everyone so in love with me?
Every project cycle follows from initiations to closures, but how we manage and differs depending on the approach. There are various methods for managing the project. The waterfall method is a linear and work well for a large project like constructions. Meanwhile, agile is a flexible and iterative ideals for industries like software development. Project management is used in every field, from healthcare to marketing, ensuring that things are run smoothly and goals are met. When selecting project, companies often use to decide which is the best to choose. For instance, some use experience-based method like the secret cow approach, while others use financial metrics like net present value or internal rate of return. By using the right methods and selections model, you can take your project to the next level. So start mastering the project management